Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the heart of the world's largest refugee camp, Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, the Al Salam Humanitarian Association teams are continuously providing the medical aid to the Rohingya refugees. Our mobile clinics bring life-saving medical care directly to the most vulnerable, from pregnant women and their wounded to people with disabilities and those suffering from seasonal illness. Every consultation and treatment is a lifeline, restoring health and giving families a chance to breathe easier.
Galasot, alami tuara foundeyo, mari da hospital jai, mari da doctor tu guri, to alami tuara bios dawai, majjo are khawde hayi, da dawai ko majja alami bahut sati mare.
Your support is more than medicine, it is hope, dignity, and a promise that they are not forgotten. May Allah accept us and you. May Allah give us more opportunities to support and help to the needy people. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.